When it comes to affiliate marketing and building a real business, there is so much information out there and it's easy to get overwhelmed. In this video, I reveal 4 affiliate marketing tips and tricks that you should apply from the beginning. After watching this video, there is a good chance you won't struggle with affiliate marketing anymore. You will never be successful at affiliate marketing if you are just thinking about how many sales you will make. The product you promote must align with what your target market wants in order to get sales that results in commissions. You must be committed to making this business work, and you must also be able to handle outside distractions well. Most internet marketers succeed at promoting something they are interested in and have knowledge about. Most customers can tell when you are just going through the motions with promoting something, but not actually genuinely interested in it. It means it's essential to find out what makes you tick regarding your product. If you want real results, staying motivated is the key. Where you love what you do, you will want to get the most out of it, and at the same time, your experience will also grow over time. Marketing involves a lot of effort from you, and it can take a long time. If you want to get results faster in your online business, don't delay. The more you put into affiliate marketing, the better your chances of gaining financial freedom. When you have a 9-to-5 job, you must go to work every day in order to pay the bills. Similarly, you should treat your online business the same way. Unlike the offline world, where you have a boss or manager telling you exactly what you need to do, when to report to work, what is expected of you, etc. In the online marketing world, you have no one but yourself to tell you what you need to do and complete in order to be successful. It's you and you alone. Treating this business as anything less than a job that your livelihood depends on it will lead you to failing at internet marketing. If you can't motivate yourself to complete the tasks that are required, you will never succeed online. I also can't guarantee you success. That is up to you. On your end, you need to give your 100%. You need to be positive and efficient. There may be a time where you are building up your business in the beginning that you might have to cut down on your social life and put in those long hours. And at this point, you might feel like you have to compromise a lot, but it will be all worth it in the end. You might have to start by sacrificing your free time you have besides work or school to be able to make a head start, positioning yourself on the right track to success. Building an online business takes time, and you should be aware of this. As time goes on and your business is more established, you will most likely gain some free time back to spend while your business continues to work for you. But in the beginning, you must make the commitment to build your business and see it through. Failure to do this will lead to failure online. By now, you should know that a successful online business does not happen overnight. It is a process or progress. You want to make a decent living online, don't you? Then keep this in mind. You must be comfortable with being uncomfortable. Remember, conviction and comfort can't stay in the same room. Being convicted to your goal means getting out of your comfort zone. If you want to see the best results from your promotions, then you need to take your time to set up everything, from the offer to the follow-up email sequences. Of course, there is no point in planning if there isn't any execution. Ask yourself, are you a doer or a thinker? How many successful businesses do you know that don't plan out their strategies? This is no different, because you need a strategy to execute. Failure to complete tasks in a timely fashion will lead your business taking longer to get established, or not getting established at all. There are many tasks that need to be completed, many of which will probably not be familiar to you. This means you must learn how to complete the task necessary to have an online business, and no one but you can actually learn to do this task and complete them in a timely fashion. The only person who gets hurt by not learning this task and putting them to work for their business is you. As you may already know, apart from web hosting, email marketing and some other stuff, affiliate marketing doesn't require a financial investment, so it's the perfect way to get into the online business world. If you are serious about affiliate marketing, you don't want to depend on others. Therefore, you should maximize your profit and aim for multiple sources of income. It means that once you build up a solid affiliate business, your final goal should be to create your own product or service after some time. This could be an online course, a product tutorial, or premium membership access, a service like funnel design, copywriting, video creation, etc. And that's what my 7-day business challenge is for. To give you a complete guide and lots of strategies to build up the whole. No matter what type of business you want to start. Click the link below to start my 7-day business challenge. And remember, you won't be left behind. Whenever something is not clear, I am here to help you. Yes, it requires a lot of work on your end, but you know the saying, if it were easy, everyone would be doing it. If you found this video useful, make sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I see you in my next video.